It is common knowledge that eternal vigilance is the price that we all should pay to sustain this democracy. And that is where those of us who still have integrity left in them have come together to defend this process, to defend what our forebears paid dearly, paid with their lives. I am sure some of these actors, as at today, never experienced what Nigerians had to go through to ensure that democracy is entrenched. Some of them never experienced it. For those who did experience it, there will be no other legacy that you can leave, no honor that you can grant the memories of the likes of M.K.O. Abiola than to stand for the truth and defend democracy. What we are talking about today has to do with the consequences of actions that persons in public office take. You are a lawmaker. You should know. It is very clear. It is never contemplated that you will even seek interpretation to that section of the Constitution. It says, shall vacate. They didn't say somebody will tell you to vacate. So when you take an action, you should know the consequences and be very proud to endure the consequences of your actions. That is what makes you a honorable man. That is what makes you a man of integrity. Did they not defect? The answer is they did defect. And they swore an affidavit. Are our courts telling us that affidavits no longer have values? If they no longer have values, the court should come up explicitly and tell us that affidavits no longer have values. What we are faced with is to either bury this country or keep her alive. We have always told ourselves that the world is watching. And what is the world watching? The world is watching the conduct of Nigerians, especially the public office holders. In recent past, we know our ratings, even amongst our brothers nearby, where persons with that green passport are treated with so much disdain. Once you get off the aircraft, you are from where? Nigeria. They shove you aside. Is that what we want to improve upon? Do we want to continue that slide? If we don't want to continue that slide, then we should honor. The least that we can do is to honor the wordings, the letters of our Constitution. Short and simple. Persons who have defected have lost their seats. If they have any honor left in them, the best that they can do is to get back to those who elected them and seek for re-election, test their popularity. As representatives of the people, you do not represent yourself alone. If what they had done had been authorized by members of their constituency, it will be very easy to have people with them. But we cannot continue to hide under one illegal action to the other. Let us not forget, in a hurry, what happened in the First Republic. It starts like this, and it is growing. People are taking sides. Even the international world, international community is also rating and ticking the boxes for Nigeria and Nigerian leadership. If this is what it takes to come into Nigeria, I better remain in my country. You will keep borrowing, No foreign investor will want to come in a situation where the laws are not certain. If lawmakers can shift the goalpost, say you continue to stay. If you sign an agreement to invest here, some other lawmakers can sit down and nullify whatever agreement that you have made. That's exactly what it means. And we don't want to go that route. So we speak from here to the leadership of this country. We speak from here to those who say they are learned to help Nigeria. It's not about self. We all are visitors. We will come and we will go one day. But what legacies are we going to leave behind? The songwriter had written long, long ago that we are fading away as the day goes by. We are fading away. Strong men are becoming weak. But they will certainly be remembered by what we have done. We all will go, but do not leave that burden for your children. When your name is mentioned, they say, oh, that wicked this, that wicked that. I think we all have a role to play. Let us stand up for justice. Let us stand up for the truth. Thank you very much.